Assalamualaikum guys. In this video, I'm Arida with my group Alif, Nunu, and Atiko will explain students should be able to choose how they learn in class or online or studying at home alone or homeschooling in terms of advantages and disadvantages. So, check this out.
Advantage of online learning. Number 1, flash learning time is shorter. By easily accessing learning material or following face-to-face video, students have a faster time to study, especially studying at home. Students can study wherever they are, but indoors or outside, like in the living room, terrace, and even the kitchen. Number 2, Indonesian education is more advanced. With a learning system like this, at least Indonesian education is more advanced. Although slightly, one of the advances is the Indonesian education has been able to take advantage of existing technology, and the way of learning education in Indonesian is more varied with online learning. Okay, number 3 is a little frugal safe. We don't have to come to school and spend road fare. By sitting quietly at home, we are able to carry out learning activities. This of course save our expenses. Moreover, for those whose houses are quite far from school, that is why with online media, students can be more economical than before, even though not much. Okay, number 4 is transportation. The trips, bags, and forth to school that students used to do are now no longer necessary. A student only travel to go to bedroom and look for a suitable place when compared to school as usual. Online learning take less energy because only activities at home. In addition, students can also study while eating, drinking, or any activity that is also not allowed in class. Then next is number 5, material. Materials can be saved easily, usually in the form of PPT, PDF, and Word. It will be stored in a file, especially if you use a smartphone. This can be saved automatically in well-known file according to the application used. This is an advantage experienced by students. In addition, students do not need to record material in book unless they are told to. Okay, the last is number 6, preparation. Students don't need to think about the school uniform to use. They can wear whatever clothes are as comfortable as possible. The only preparation we need is health and internet quota. Now with these two, students will be ready to learn online.
The disadvantages of online learning. 1. Chores pileup. Even though studying at home, the students cannot live in peace because they have to face the assignments given by the teacher. Time at home is spent filling up chores. Teachers give assignments so that students still get grades and learning materials. 2. Consumes a lot of internet data or quota. Students who usually buy internet packages once a month can now buy internet packages 2 to 3 times a month. In addition, those who use Wi-Fi also have an effect because the predetermined internet limit experience excessive usage, plus sometimes Wi-Fi has problems, whether from the company or other things. 3. Providing material online is difficult to understand. The online learning system saves more time, but not necessarily online learning is more effective in accepting learning material for students. Many complain that how to study online only provides filling up tasks, which adds to the stress of students while at home. In addition, conducive condition in the house may make someone receive lessons or not. If it is conducive, maybe it will be easier to accept learning. But if the house is not conducive, the students will have difficulty receiving the lessons. 4. Difficult debate. If at school or on campus there is something that is difficult to understand or there is a difference of opinion, it may be easier to discuss it, but in terms of learning online, it will be difficult. Why? Because in this learning method, if one person speaks, it is possible for the other to speak in other words. The voices in the meeting video overlap. In addition, students who have poor network connection or cell phones that are slightly damaged will have a hard time hearing the overlapping audio. 5. Postponement of time. Sometimes, there are obstacles or problems that come without us expecting it, so that the lesson is delayed. 6. Disturbed by non-notification. If you are using a smartphone, of course, at any time there will be a notification that appears on the screen. This, of course, can make you distracted, especially notification of messages from friends. You are itching up enough and find out what was sent. 7. Battery. With the media of cell phones and laptops, batteries have limits on their respective capabilities. Indeed, this can be overcome by means of a charge. But when it's hot, you feel worried and annoyed when you hold it. 8. Out of focus. There are many things in the home that can catch our attention, such as musical instruments, pets, or toys.
Okay, next I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages of the home learning system. The advantages of the home learning system are offer some flexibility because learning is done at home. Learning time can be adjusted according to children's needs, so that the mood is awake and the child is not forced to learn. The second, free to be creative because there is no pressure from other friends. Children are free to channel and show their creativity. The third, be more focused and monitor because teachers only have a limited number of students. It is easier to monitor their progress in learning. The fourth, more confident because children are not compared with other friends. Last, it is easier to understand because children can clearly ask the teacher and teacher can focus on giving detailed answers. The disadvantages of the home learning system are first, lack of friends, lack of social skill, since there are no peers and cannot know many individual character. Second, do not have a competitive spirit. Children are too comfortable with the learning system so that when there are competition, the children are not interested. The third, a lack of discipline and living in a social system because learning can be adjusted according to the child's readiness house, so that children are not trained to live in a social and disciplined system. Fourth, a lack of initiative and sensitivity to the environment because they are not familiar with the surrounding environment and individual learning. Children are not trained to take the initiative to solve problems when there are group problems. And the last tends to be more selfish because children are always listen to the teachers, so that children tend to be selfish about their will.
The advantage of studying in class. Teachers are more able to monitor student learning activities appropriately. More interaction with classmates can facilitate discussion and group work because in fact, humans are social creatures that other humans need to socialize. Student learning can be considered properly if something is not understood, directly asking the teacher or lecturer in the class. Students are more focused on the learning because in a class all students are just focused on the class, so they are not disturbed by other things. Giving material is easier to understand because it deals directly with teachers and lecturers. More discipline in a person because of the predetermined course and binding rules therein. More tasks are done at school and only a few are done as homework. Disadvantage of learning in the class. Sometimes the classroom atmosphere is not conducive, very noisy. The usual monotone learning atmosphere can cause students to feel bored. And not all students are the same distance from school or universities, so it costs more on transportation. From several explanations that there are positive and negative sides of where it is good for students to study either at school, homeschool, or study alone at home as well as learning online. It can be concluded that wherever and however the way of learning depends on the condition and situation. There are students who really need to homeschool and feel more comfortable with studying on their own. There are also students who prefer to study in a class because they are comfortable in the class. And for the present case, online learning is due to circumstance making us like that. And also as a precautionary measure for the COVID-19 virus that is currently rising. Like it or not, whether it is happy or not, but according to our group, learning in the classroom is much more effective as mentioned in the previous explanation. Online classes are sometimes effective, but as far as our experience has had a more of a negative impact. So hopefully the pandemic will end soon, so that learning as usual will resume. So how do you prefer to learn? In the class, online, or studying alone at home or homeschooling? That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.